What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
And everybody gossip. But when you gossip too far, no. You see me? So, me have to process the whole thing right now. Because when I hear the voice note, hold on. Listen to the voice note there.
Wagwan, Sam.
Yeah, man, you good?
You Wagwan?
No.
You know what, sir? Last night, me did on my live, bro. Seeing? And 250 people come on my live. And say, what kind of video that Drizzy sent out? I said to the people, them say, the people, when I forgot about that, man, everything good. The people, them say, no. The man sent out a video where a woman at this yo, bro. And nobody did it to defend you. And I say, yeah, I saw it going on, bro. Bro.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, big up Drizzy, big up Six Bars, big up everybody. Me no like what go on. 200 people up on my live and I talk and I say, boy, I fuck you and rare. You know what Drizzy do? Go up on live, bro. Up on live, Sam. And at this, me wicked.
Yeah.
Wicked, Sam. Yo. JK call him and said to him, say, Drizzy, why you do that? What joke I do? The youth not do nothing, bro. The man go up and yo, Sam. I go fuck up Drizzy. I go fuck up Drizzy. Hey, I tell you that. Hey.
Oh, the man this year.
Hey, Sam, lick more, bro. Lick more, Sam. Lick more, Sam. Me I go fuck up him. I go fuck him up. This son I come over here, you know. Me I go fuck up Drizzy, Sam.
When you hear what I'm going. So, this is another thing, right? The threats and stuff. I don't know if I'm drunk or what, but them things you can't take lightly, you know. And I don't feel like it'll be the same having them around like that and I make them type of thought. I don't know if him can try something one at the time them or, you know, but you have to, when somebody says things like these, you have to take it into consideration. Like, what if one day him say, I'm going to fed up and I want to do something? You see me? You have to think about them thing. You see me? When I say about the lady and Skeng now, I don't feel like the lady did wrong. The lady probably pressed him on some things, but I mean, this is where the battles goes down on the Walking TV channel. You can't make the woman see your weakness. Once the woman see your weakness, then you're going to trouble. You see me? You let down your guard. If you're going to respond back to the woman, respond back to the woman. You see me? She has shown you, you try to shun her back in a good way. You see what I say? You can't let down your guard, Skeng. You see me? And the whole heap of business, remember, everybody chat everybody. You see me? Everybody have them flaws. You see me? Nobody's perfect. But when you go do certain things, you have to think about what you do. You see me? Because most time people would rather lose your friendship than mine. Because me have a lot to offer. With or without you guys there. You see me? So even if I'm not there, it's still gonna work. And if I'm not there, it's still gonna work. You see me? Because I my working skills with the camera most times, you see me? Why people will let me come at them place without you guys. It's nothing to be mad about or anything, but people would just like me alone to come certain places. But me always want to come with me because I feel more, you know, energetic with you guys there with me. So most times when I go places by myself, and because I don't want to bring you or anything like that, I just the people them prefer just me alone. You see me? And me can tell the people them what to do because it help us same way. You see me? It put money in the food pocket same way. You see me? So one of the people them know say we don't have nothing done with Skeng. Nobody never hate him. Nobody know how to replace him. None of that. Me just say, him let down him guard and the woman strike. You see me? I never know so you never feel a way about it and then bring it to social media. You should have called me and tell me say, yo, you never like that or whatever. You never call me. So you know what I'm not gonna say, you take it anyway. Because after me I leave, me see you and the woman I hug up and I do what I do. So I feel like everything's okay. So I never understand why you go up on social media or shun the woman and the people in the comment section and say the woman do this and the woman do that. I agree with the people, but you still take money from the woman. I never like that, you see me? I never like all of that. So them things you have to think about before you make any move, you see me? And going forward, I said this of a process. So if you don't see him, I'm going to encourage him again to build a YouTube channel also, because the TikTok, them are going to tear them over the joker. I'm going to encourage him to make a YouTube channel, because this is a process and I don't like people which centric to me and anything. They're going to make me feel like I don't want you around me no more. You see me? I understand say everybody chat everybody on the channel, but nobody don't go as far as you. You see me? If you go on social media and make it look like say, I actually never give the money for your teeth, which give you the money for the teeth. So that me I try to. We don't try to shut nobody, I try to break down nobody. We still rate it because you know you can make people laugh and everything about the ways. You see me? Why am I telling you? Rough people. I'm really open to understand. I know nobody has said me I use nobody, because if me I use nobody, that means people probably I use me too. You see me? And I don't know. But I hope the Walking TV family can understand my point of view and carry on from here. You see me? As me I say, we can help you build a channel and we give the support fully. You see me? And as for Goated, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle. Guys, Drizzy Burke has spoken. Drizzy Burke says something. Drizzy Burke play a voice note. Drizzy Burke talk what's on his mind. Guys, in my opinion, this is my opinion. I don't think it should reach where it reached right now. It reached a level of threat. It reached a level of threat where Joker can be heard here on a voice note saying that he going to do Drizzy Burke something. And his son is coming over. He did not say what his son is coming over for or why his son is coming over. But he said that his son is coming over. It never did have to reach this, guys. It never did have to reach that far where threat and son is coming over. It never did have to reach that far. Joker know Drizzy Burke long time. Drizzy Burke know Joker long time. Them all live in the same place. Everybody a friend. Everybody a friend. Right under the ackee tree, right where the barber shop is. Everybody link up there, so. Everybody link up there, so. So where it reach right now, it should never reach there, so. My viewers and subscribers, listen to what me I say now, because me I talk the honest truth. If when the video was put out and you go on live and the people on your live come to you and say, over 300 people come to you and say, what kind of video that Drizzy put out? To be honest with your Joker, you shouldn't have allowed those people to let you say what you really want to say out of your mouth, because apparently you did not like that the video was out there, because that's exactly what you say. But you say, I saw it go, you see how it go, you see how it go. We are Jamaican, we know what those words mean.
But then you say a lot of things, and apparently Drizzy hear about it and get the information about it. Drizzy say what him have to say. As a matter of fact, Drizzy say what he have been holding in for a while. He just spill it out. Now, is Drizzy wrong? Is Joker wrong? Hell yes, the two of you shouldn't have gone to social media to throw out everything out there. That's just my views. Drizzy say Joker could have called him. And me go be honest, Joker could have called Drizzy and Drizzy should have called Joker. The two of them should have called them one another and settle it out, and rather than going over upon social media and put it out there. Now that everybody know what really did a go on in the house. Now guys, I'm going to say this. Everybody chat everybody. Everybody chat everybody. Me chat you, you chat me. I saw it go. Because if me have a best friend, my best friend I go have feed them best friend. So then go say a few words about each other. Everybody chat everybody. We know that. However, guys, is this. Which part it reach right now? Over stupidity. Because at the end of the day, just as well, Drizzy Burke said, Joker let down in guard and the lady attack wicked. It's not a matter of the lady disrespect Joker. The lady no disrespect Joker. The lady realize that Joker now. And this is the thing where most of you have to understand, The lady see Joker upon the thing, upon the YouTube channel, and Joker fire. So now the lady have all she plan and set up and ready for Joker and Danny. Because remember, a Joker and Danny are our favorite. Not Danny, Johnny are our favorite, So she ready now to tackle them. So now are you now for ready to tackle her back. But that not happen. Because you cannot take pressure. And all who da Portland to Portland and know Joker. Joker is a vibes youth. We run joke, but Joker cannot take certain kind of pressure. We all know that. We all know that Joker can take a certain kind of pressure. However, Joker will stand up to some pressure, but not all pressure. If Joker I go win, he will stand up to it. If him going to lose, Joker is not going to stand up to it because Joker don't take losing well. Come on now, guys, be honest. Let's be honest about the whole thing, and then we will figure out and find out, say, it never did happen. Alright, listen to me good now. Listen to what Drizzy Burke said. Drizzy Burke said Joker could have called him. Yeah, and I'll say it again. Me say it already. Drizzy Burke said Joker could have called him. But in my opinion, Drizzy could have called Joker too. When Drizzy hear what Joker say, Drizzy could have called Joker and say, yo, what on? Likewise, Joker could have called Drizzy and say, you know, say me not like that video they were put out, bossy. Just like how Joker love to say bossy. But at the same time, the video already put out. All you have to do is stand up as a man and fight the battle. You don't know, say, are you feeding tree that? You don't know, say, I saw the thing work. But Joker never like it. Joker never like it. And Joker already in his feelings because him see said the woman whip him. Now, me go say this, If you notice, Johnny and the woman did have a thing a go on. And Johnny whipped the woman whipped Johnny. Johnny whipped the woman whipped Johnny. And it done. Now, listen to this part of it. Listen to this part where Drizzy Burke said. Drizzy Burke said when everything done, when the video went done and everything, Joker and the woman was hugging up, laughing, and all those kind of things. So, my thing is, why did Joker really feel bad about the video? Listen good. the people who come on Joker live pump up the volume. And whenever time you can make people, push you, that's when things are gonna go wrong. Because if as Drizzy say, Joker and the lady was all lovey-dovey and nicey and goody and all kind of things when everything done, why the hell would Joker take problem to the video? Cause if I did me and that lady do me something I me no feel good about it, she can't shake my hand or me and her now go hug up and have no conversation. No. Me go on about my business. Because me don't want to have no talking with her. However, Joker and the lady have dialogues afterwards. So that means Joker shouldn't get in his feeling. However, he getting his feeling. I never really want to say Joker off of the walking TV. But it sounds as if for now, Joker won't be on the walking TV until if Drizzy Burke clear his brain and clear his mind. Because a threat was made towards Drizzy Burke, and as Drizzy said, you cannot take no form of threat lightly. Listen to me good now. The Joker with me know. Uno listen? Hello? Uno listen? Let me know if you know listen. Tell me if you know listen down in the comment section there. The Joker with me know. Now go do nothing. One even hear what me just say. The Joker with me know. Now go do one earthly thing. That's the Joker with me know. The Joker with me know now go do nothing. The Joker with me know, just like how Joker stay, talk, use his mouth very well. Joker now go do Drizzy nothing. But the Joker that I don't know if he will or if he will get somebody to do the work or whatsoever. You see what I say? So that's why I say the threat shouldn't in there. The threat should not be in there. All those things where, listen me good now, guys. May I tell you this, man. May I tell you, me sorry say it happen, aya. I'm sorry say it happen because I know the two man. Me know the two man. Yeah, me sorry say it happen because I know the two of them. But me wish it not.
Hey, Chuck. Yeah.
Hey, I'm on Hiawatha and I was walking through the basement here. I stepped on a pin from a fire extinguisher and the fire extinguisher panel's open here. Do you know anything that happened today out here? I mean, this would have happened probably in the last maybe 2 hours or so.
No, I know nothing about anything happening. I just went out there and locked up, so I didn't see anything.
That for it doesn't look like the fire extinguisher was discharged or anything. I'm going to walk around and kind of check everything in more detail. But the cabinet's open, the pen's on the ground. Not sure if anything happened down here or not.
A lot of the contractors keep theirs on the ground because they're not in the cabinet. Did you copy that?
Now, guys, on a serious note, what do you all feel? How do you feel about this whole thing between Drizzy Burke and Joker? Do you all think Joker should have threatened? Make threats. He didn't threaten Drizzy Burke in his face. He made threats while talking to this person. Do you think Joker should have done that? And do you think this video with this lady should have caused all these problems? And do you think Joker shouldn't have met these people on the comment line, talk him into getting upset? Or do you think Joker have the right to get upset and did not talk to Drizzy Burke about it? Do you think Drizzy Burke is right when he come out and make a video talking about what Joker have been doing to him behind his back, but he knew that Joker is doing it? Do you think Drizzy Burke should have talked to Joker about it without making the internet know all about it? How do you think Drizzy Burke and Joker should have dealt with this situation? Do you think they should have squashed it in a different way? And do you think that Joker shouldn't be on YouTube because Joker don't have a thick enough skin to deal with social media? What do you all think, guys? Do you really think this should have reached where it reached? Do you think this whole thing should die out? Or how far do you think this thing really is about to go? And do you think Joker will carry out the threat that he saying he's going to do? Or do you think Joker is bluffing? Or do you think Joker is just trying to make himself big in the goal of a penalty kick? What do you really think? Guys, down below, comment down below, let me know what you think about this whole thing, because guys, in my opinion, it shouldn't have reached this far. In my opinion, it should never have happened. It happened, but what we're going to do? There's nothing we can do now more than sit down, look, watch, and hope for the best. Hope that nothing stupid don't happen. Hope that nobody don't go crazy and cause any problem on themselves and others. Guys, we go soon in our next video, because we go make a next video about this. This is just a quick video I'm making. So stay tuned until we come again.